Stop right there, because what you're about to hear might be the most important update you've seen all month. The brand new The Deer is Hurt update for 99 Nights in the Forest has finally arrived, and with it comes an entirely fresh set of exclusive, fully working redeem codes that can unlock free diamonds, rare boosts, powerful upgrades, and hidden rewards that most players are still completely unaware of. These new codes are officially active for November 2025, but remember, they're time limited. Once they expire, the rewards disappear permanently. So stay with me all the way until the end if you want to collect every single code before it's too late. Before we continue, here's something you don't want to miss. I'm hosting a special giveaway where you can win free classes, bonus diamonds, and even rare candy inside the game. Joining is simple. Like the video, subscribe with notifications on, comment your Roblox username below. Winners are chosen randomly, but the more active you are on the channel, the better your chances. Now pay close attention. Do not skip ahead. Every code will appear on screen for just a few seconds. Miss even one, and that reward is gone. And if you stay until the very end, you'll catch a secret bonus code that I'm only revealing to real viewers. Here's how to redeem your codes inside 99 Nights in the Forest. Open the game. Tap the gem icon in the bottom left. Select Codes. Enter each code exactly as shown on screen. Make sure the capitalization matches perfectly, because the codes are case sensitive. If a code doesn't work instantly, don't worry. Some codes take time to activate, and others may only work on certain servers. Just move on to the next code. There are plenty of rewards waiting for you. Staying subscribed with notifications on means you'll be the very first to hear about new updates, hidden events, and future redeem codes the moment they drop. And remember, our giveaway is still open. So once you finish watching, make sure to drop your Roblox username in the comments to secure your chance at extra diamonds, rare classes, and exclusive limited-time items. Now it's time for the moment you've been waiting for. Here are the latest fully working codes for November 2025, freshly released with the Deer is Hurt update in 99 Nights in the Forest. These new codes will unlock free diamonds, powerful boosts, and rare items that can completely transform your gameplay. If a code doesn't activate immediately, try switching servers or re-entering it. New codes sometimes take a few minutes to go live, so be patient and keep watching, because at the very end of this video, I'll reveal a secret bonus code that you won't find anywhere else. Let's get started and test all the newest working codes from the Deer is Hurt update in 99 Nights in the Forest.
Yeah. Unknown Brain. Marvin Divine. I'm saying bye to all the lies and all the times you cried, saying that I wasn't right, yet I was right by your side. You manipulator, playing games, your friends commentators, and I don't know what you say about our private conversations, but it's got them hating. Thanks to all the rumors you be claiming. It's cool, I'm done with you, so they can throw you a celebration. You gon' hate it when you see me with somebody living better. I'm trying to tell you that me just doing me gon' have you jealous.
I know that I gotta stay away from all your games, yeah. I know that I found somebody else to love me one day, yeah. You'll realize the grass ain't greener on the other side, no. You did me dirty for the last time, so now I gotta say goodbye.
Yeah, my life is lovely now, I'm focused on me. You said you were about to die, I guess the call cause I just chose to believe that somebody gon' come around and give me just what I need. I don't wanna see you flying, see you looking down and out, coming to me crying, saying you miss having me around. Gave you chances and you blew it, you so easily influenced. All the times you told me beat it, now you gotta face the music. I'm saying
I know that I gotta stay away from all your games. Yeah, I know that I found somebody else to love me one day. You'll realize the grass ain't greener on the other side. No, you did me dirty for the last time, so now I gotta say goodbye. So now I gotta say
yeah. Unknown Brain, Marvin Divine. I'm saying bye to all the lies and all the times you cried, saying that I wasn't right, yet I was right by your side. You manipulator, playing games, your friends commentators, and I don't know what you say about our private conversations, but it's got them hating. Thanks to all the rumors you be claiming, it's cool, I'm done with you, so they can throw you a celebration. You gon' hate it when you see me with somebody living better. I'm trying to tell you that me just doing me gon' have you jealous.